Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Audi A4 stereo. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal kit and a T20 Torx screwdriver. Having a clean cloth handy will help protect your car's interior from scratches. Before you begin any work, always disconnect the car battery's negative terminal to ensure your safety and prevent electrical issues. This crucial first step prepares you for a smooth removal process. Now let's move on to removing the trim. Using your plastic trim tool, carefully pry around the edges of the stereo's surrounding trim panel. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the trim is loose, you'll see two T20 Torx screws holding the stereo in place. Unscrew these completely. With the screws out, gently pull the stereo unit forward just a few inches, enough to reach behind it. With the stereo pulled slightly forward, it's time to disconnect the cables. Each electrical connector has a small release tab. Press these tabs firmly and gently pull the connectors away from the stereo. Take a moment to observe or even photograph the cable positions, which will make reinstallation much simpler. Once all cables are detached, you can carefully slide the entire stereo unit completely out of the dashboard opening. To reinstall your Audi A4 stereo, simply reverse the steps we just covered. Ensure all electrical connectors are firmly attached and the T20 Torx screws are tightened securely. Before snapping the trim panel back into place, it's a good idea to reconnect your car battery and test the stereo's functionality. This confirms everything is working correctly. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.